Hey guys, so today we're now working on recognizing proportional relationship graphs. So what we're going to do here is we're basically just going to look at the graph, say, is it proportional, is it not proportional? So this is on page 17, number 1 and 2. My previous video was wrong, we were on page 15, not 14, my bad. So today we're going to do 1 and 2, I'm going to do 1 and 2 as an example, and then you guys are going to do 3 to 11. So what I'd like you to do is before we start, we know our objective is to use the graphs to find the slope and use the information to answer questions. Well, first off, let's remember, what does it mean to be proportional? What are the two aspects of being proportional? You have to be constant. What does constant mean? It's got to go in a straight line. And it's got to go through what? What's that magic place it goes through? The origin. So look at the graphs, say, is it constant? Is it go through the origin? If it's both of these things, then it is proportional. So let's go ahead and jump into this. The first problem, we're going to look at it and we're going to say, first, is it constant? Is it a straight line? Yes, it is. Does it go through the origin? Where's the origin again? Well, the origin's right there. So no, it does not. Proportional. How do you know? Well, it doesn't go through the origin. If it doesn't go through the origin, then it's not proportional. It's still constant. It's still a linear function. And just to clarify, some of you guys might remember this, might not. When we talked about slope, slope is the change of y over x. So if you go from that first point and you go to the next point, so you go up 1, 2, and over 1. So your slope, remember, it's of the form y equals mx plus b, where m is slope and b is the starting value. So what we're going to do now is we're literally just going to write the equation. So where do you start? Why don't we start there? Where do you start? Well, you start at 3. So put 3 there. Done. Now, the last thing to say, how much did it go up? Well, it went up 2 and over 1. So this equation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Real easy. So now we're just going to jump into the second one. So number 2, let's look at this. First thing, is it constant? Is it a straight line? Yes. Does it go through the origin? Yes. So it's proportional. So now let's just write the equation. If we know it's proportional and it goes through the origin, then the starting value is 0. So it's just plus 0, or you don't even need to write it. You don't even need to say plus anything. Now, the only thing left to do is to find your slope. So what is the slope? Well, like I did on Monday's video, the first point doesn't really help us very much. So it's easier just to look at the second point. So look at the second point. The first point goes 10 to 1. So you go up 10 over 1. So what is it? What's the slope then? Don't know. Well, let's check the next point. What's 20 over 2? 220. 20 over 2. Y over x is equal to 10 over 1, or 20 over 2, which is equal to 10, which is equal to 10. So that's consistent. They're both constant. So now what do? Write the equation. Y is equal to 10x. That's it. That is literally all you did. This one's not proportional. This one is. So, like I said, this stuff's pretty straightforward. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter for today. So go ahead. When you're done, please send me a message. Let me know what you got. And if you have any questions, always go to my office hours. My office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 1 to 1:30 on my Zoom. If not, then just send me a message on Dojo. I can help you at any time. And those office hours, I'm literally sitting here all day, guys. So whenever you guys send me a message, I'll respond pretty quickly. Okay? So I'll go ahead and I'm going to go. If you have any questions, send me a message. See you guys in the next video.